issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Menard County, northeastern Cass County, Mason County, until 8:45 a.m. At 8:17 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Kilbourne, or 7 miles south of Havana, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Easton around 8:25 a.m.